Hi, my name is Laura Garton, and I'm the program director for Live to Give Hope, which is a nonprofit located in Lebanon, Missouri, that operates the Fostering Hope Closet, along with other programs to provide hope, resources, and advocacy for members of our community, specifically the foster care community, all completely free of charge. In 2021, Live to Give Hope was awarded a grant from the Department of Economic Development through the state of Missouri through its Neighborhood Assistance, or NAP program. This grant is unique in the fact that the state did not give us actual money, but rather they gave us 70% tax credits that we can make available to members in our community. So today I have with me Edward Jones advisor Cheryl Colson and CPA Kevin Allen to discuss 70% tax credits and how they can benefit you while also keeping your money local and helping a local nonprofit. Thank you both for being here today.
Thanks for inviting us.
Yeah.
You're very welcome.
Glad to be here.
So Cheryl, what is a 70% NAP tax credit?
What that is if you are a business, you are obviously going to be paying taxes. So if you're going to make a donation anyway, go ahead and make your donation to the organization like yours. And if you give them $1,000, you're going to end up paying out of your pocket around $300. So you want to do this as a donation, but it's going to save you on your taxes.
Thank you very much for that information. So Kevin, from a CPA standpoint, are tax credits difficult to apply to a return?
No, it's very standard, very good, smart way to help your community and pay your taxes at the same time. So I personally do that myself, so I know that that's one way that you can pay your state taxes is by donating to a good organization like yours. So,
well, thank you very much.
Yeah.
So now, what if what qualifies for a tax credit?
You simply just have to be a business. And as long as you are either a sole prop, a partnership, an LLC, and you do your taxes as a business, you qualify to be able to make these donations and take advantage of this tax credit. Now, yours is the 70%. Not all of them are. So when you're looking to donate, make sure the organization you're donating to is a 70% and not just a 50%.
sure. Yeah.
So Kevin, for an example, if someone donated $1,000 to Live to Give Hope,
Yep.
what would they have to do to be able to take advantage of the tax credit?
Sure. So there's an application that you have to fill out, and that has to go to the state. You send that off after you sign it, and then the state will send you back a tax credit form, and that form is used, and you have to attach that to your return, either by electronically or by paper to claim the credit. So.
Okay. So for example, if someone donated $1,000, then they would get a tax credit issued back for how much?
$700.
$700. So what if they only owed $500 that year? Do they just lose the other $200 tax credit?
No, that does carry forward for 5 years after that. So.
Okay. And then, Cheryl, what if somebody is not able to give, say, $10,000 or $1,000 at the end of the year? Are they able to give this money periodically throughout the year?
You can make monthly payments. If you're going to be giving cash, you can make monthly payments, and whatever your total ends up being at the end of the year is what you're going to give as your donation. But also keep in mind, it isn't necessarily just cash. You could give assets, you could give equipment, you could give your time of your company as well. So those are all considered viable assets to be able to take advantage of this program.
All right. Any other questions that you guys have had from customers regarding tax credits?
Not necessarily. I mean, I think some people get confused between a deduction and a tax credit. So a deduction just reduces your income. A tax credit actually offsets your income. So in almost all cases, that tax credit is actually better than a deduction. So it is a dollar for dollar credit against your tax. So.
That's fantastic. Well, thank you both again very much for being here, and I hope this helps explain a little bit more about the tax credits. So Live to Give Hope has until May of 2024 to sell and spend all of the tax credits. And so if you are a local Missouri business or individual with business income, we would love for you to come and talk to us about these tax credits so that you can see how it would benefit you and how you can help us benefit the community.